welcome to the Sunrise Clean With Me Challenge. Today I am hosting this challenge in hopes of getting a few ideas for entertaining and delegating, and just what everybody has in mind when it comes to that. Now, this is something that I think is very important to make it not all rest on one person, to, get ready for company to come over, especially if you're going to be hosting some type of holiday dinner or something along those lines. That is something that I'm going to be doing for Thanksgiving and Christmas this year, and I'm really excited about that. And I think that one of the ways to keep our stress level down is to make sure that we delegate to those that are within our family, or even for those people that are coming to the event. That way it's not, like I said, everything resting on one person's shoulders. Now, when it comes to cleaning, I definitely love to have a very clean home, and it's something that I don't only do on a Monday for my weekly home blessing hour, but when I am going to have company, when I am going to entertain, I usually go through the house and look at any area that just stands out to me, and I take care of that. So one of the things that I'm going to be focusing on in this video is an area for my guests to put their purse. A lot of the time when a lot of people come over, it's where all of the coat's gonna go, where all of the purse is gonna go. And really it's the purse situation, because I've often found too that sometimes people put their purse on a chair or on the couch or something, and then somebody doesn't feel like there's space for them to sit down. And a lot of you asked, what do you do about seating? We decided to go with benches, and a big reason is because I love entertaining, and we've also ran into not having enough chairs for everybody. Because benches really multiply your seating instead of bulky chairs that make it really hard to seat everybody. Now, I'm not saying run out and buy a bunch of benches if you don't have it, but it is something to think about, especially if you do like to host a lot like myself. Those are my tips. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you participated, I really appreciate that, and I look forward to seeing your video as well. And until next time, I hope that you all take care and happy holidays. Bye everyone.